Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center, home of the lifetime powertrain warranty. Today's special is a 2016 Jeep Cherokee Latitude 4-wheel drive, stock number E1929P. 26,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Billet silver metallic in color. This Cherokee does qualify for the lifetime powertrain warranty coverage. See sales for details. Seats 5. Cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear. And very clean, as you can see. This Latitude has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, height adjuster for the driver's seat, along with the tilt-head telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Again, only 26,000 miles with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, touchscreen display for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, heating and air conditioning along with heated seats as well as heated steering wheel, compass display, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things used most often. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect mobile media devices. Select terrain 4-wheel drive system, giving you the greatest capability no matter what the surface. 9-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. Additional under-seat storage. And a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Cherokee has the 2.4 liter 4-cylinder, 180 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 21 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 28 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more information on this Cherokee, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.